These are crispy. They've been hanging to dry. Alrighty. At Enlightened Baby, we offer a newborn diaper rental program. You can get a kit of 24 Thirsties natural newborn all-in-ones to rent. We don't wash these for you. These are something you take home and you wash yourself. The cost for the kit is $65 per month and includes 24 natural Thirsties newborn all-in-ones, a pack of GroVia bio liners, and then a final wash pod. So before you bring them back to us, you're gonna wash them to disinfect before they come back to us. So everything will come to you all bundled up just like this. We ship these all over the country, so you can rent them and send them back.